EPA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for the weekend, April 10th and 11th, 2021. For your Saturday, expecting mostly cloudy skies across most of the region today, but it will be warmer, much warmer than it was yesterday by about 10 degrees or so. And we have, if you see next to me here in the video, we have today mostly cloudy, 68 to 73. Now, normally we have that as a north to south deal. Today it's kind of backwards. So the southern areas are going to be closer to 68. The northern area is closer to 73, and that's because we're expecting more sunshine. If you look at the NAM future simulated satellite here for 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see 77% cloud cover here in Philadelphia, 14 up in Wilkes-Barre, Scranton area, so that's a big difference. So you have a lot more sun up in these areas farther to the north, which is going to allow you to get into the lower 70s, at least for highs. One caveat to this, and it's not a big enough area for me to include this range. I really could have done a range here from 62 to 73 because right along the immediate shore points, I think you're going to remain overcast today. Big reason for that is an onshore flow, persistent onshore flow that we've been dealing with for the past couple of days is going to be continuing today, or actually yesterday is going to be continuing today, and near 100% cloud cover is going to keep you a little bit cooler. So 62 to 65 right along the immediate shore points here. Today, but in the interior, we should be in the upper 60s to near 70, and then again, lower 70s up here in the far northern areas where we're going to have that clearing, a little bit more clearing, but elsewhere, the vast majority of our area today is mostly cloudy. Okay, so that's the reason for that, but we will have just a spotty, as far as precipitation is concerned, just a spotty chance for drizzle in our far southeastern areas, and if I'm going to circle an area here where that would occur, stop the video here myself to do that. Okay, the areas I think are most susceptible to this drizzle is going to be right in here. Okay, where this is the areas closest to the southeasterly flow off the ocean, and that's why you get that little bit of drizzle this morning in those areas. So, spotty drizzle in those areas this morning, just early in the morning, and then that should go away too. But you're going to remain cloudy close to the shore points today. Once we get beyond this, we have another system coming in that's going to bring a warm front through the region, and this has been modeled a little bit differently the last couple of days. It's been going back and forth how much precipitation we actually get. I think the warm front's going to go through, and it should be done by about noon or maybe very early afternoon for that for the showers to end. And then we'll get a little bit of a break where it's just kind of cloudy or mostly cloudy for a little bit, and then we have some thunderstorm chances here later in the day. As we get over the NAM high-res future simulator radar, I'm going to move this forward and get to this the actual warm front moving through. So this is looking at 6 a.m. You have showers moving into central Pennsylvania here at this point. And again, this is 6 a.m. Sunday. So as you go through the course of the morning here, you get some scattered showers going through. This is now mid-morning, and we get to about early afternoon, and it's just starting to pull away early to mid-afternoon. And by mid-afternoon, it's out of the area completely. So we'll have these showers here, and then we'll have just a cloudy breaks in between here before the next line of thunderstorms could come through. These could have lightning with them, certainly, as it moves through here during the evening hours. Now, the only problem with this is it's coming in after dark, so you're not going to have potent storms, it doesn't look like. If they were to come in a little bit earlier, would have a chance for something a little bit stronger in this synoptic setup, but it doesn't look like it's going to do that. This will continue into the overnight, and those showers will go into very early Monday morning. So as far as Monday is concerned, just an early shower chance here, but otherwise we are just going to remain mostly cloudy here on Monday after those showers exit. So mostly cloudy means you still have peaks of sun, but it's not going to be an abundance of sunshine. Now, as we go forward from this point, there are several disturbances. There's an upper level low that's sitting up here over the Great Lakes. There's going to be little pieces of little disturbances, little vorticity impulses that are going to move through the region at various times throughout the week between Tuesday and Friday. Now here's a system moving off to our north here on Tuesday. Could be close enough to give a stray shower in a few spots here. Otherwise, we are partly to mostly cloudy here on Tuesday. Wednesday looks like it's going to be a partly to mostly cloudy day again. You got a system off to our north here, another impulse. Very broad upper level low that's sitting over the region or just to the north of us. So with that, the surface reflection could bring a few showers down into parts of our region on Wednesday as well, but I think it's going to be more isolated if anything. And then once we get to Thursday and Friday, here's the upper level low sitting right here over the southeastern Quebec province. It's going to swing down to the south and east and that could bring a touch off a few showers here on Thursday afternoon, and again Friday afternoon as this finally moves out of the region. So this upper level low is really responsible for most of the activity this week. It's not a lot of precipitation at any point, and I think the best chance for anything that would be noteworthy, I guess, would be in the late Saturday night into Sunday morning deal. And again, that's going to end from southwest and northeast from late morning through about mid-afternoon on Sunday. So Sunday's not a total wash, okay? You're going to have a little bit of a break in there. If you have anything to do in the afternoon, especially mid-afternoon onward, especially if you're in the southwestern areas, you'll have an opportunity to do something where it's going to be dry, not doing anything until those thunderstorms move in during the evening. But looks like on any given day here, besides that one system coming in Saturday night and Sunday morning, you really don't have an abundance of precipitation this week. So a lot of weak impulses moving through, but it does give you the shower threat. Hey, this is April. This is what happens in April. So very common theme in April to have upper level low influences in our region, but it does look like this moves out on Friday. And preliminarily speaking, we should have this leads into a pretty nice weekend going into next weekend. But it will be a little bit cooler once we get around the 18th, as I updated in the long-range outlook today. I'm EPA and WA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for the weekend, April 10th and 11th, 2021. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.